Wow. Oh, oh my God. This was totally worth it. Wow. Awesome. Hi guys, good morning. It's 6 in the morning and today I'm going to the Flat Top Mountain Trail. It's in the Blue Ridge Mountains and it will be a 3 hours drive from Raleigh, North Carolina. So let's go. The sunrise is looking great. The weather also looks good today, but I've seen that there is a 50% chance that it might rain where I'm going. Alright, so today's trek is at 4,000 feet. The highest point will be at 4,000 feet. So that will be quite high. The views are going to be interesting. The total distance will be 5 miles. So in 2 miles, I should be covering around 1,700 feet. That is going to be steep. And it is going to be a difficult trek. I've read the reviews. But it should be equally rewarding because it's in the Blue Ridge Mountains. So the views are going to be amazing. So let's get started. I don't know if you guys can see this, but the visibility right now is like less than 100 meters. But it looks absolutely beautiful. I mean, alright, so we are here. I parked my car here and I think we have to go over there at the top. That's a Flat Top Mountain. I think that is the one. I'm not sure yet. There are other mountains here as well. The place looks beautiful. There's this lodge here, but I don't know. I don't think anyone is staying here because of the COVID situation. So apparently I was going in the wrong direction. I was going towards the Sharp Top Mountain. So I asked a few guys who were going in the same direction and they told me to follow this route. I think this should be the final section of the summit. Wow. Oh. Oh my god. This was totally worth it. Wow. Awesome. Alright, so I made it back. Took me about 50 minutes to come down and 90 minutes to reach the summit. It was a hard one. The climb was relentless. It was non-stop steep climb. But glad I did it because the views were awesome. If you're planning to come for this hike, make sure you have proper hiking shoes with the ankle support. That is really important because as you can see here, there are a lot of rocks and boulders, so you constantly have to keep a watch. And that was close. Alright, thank you for watching. Take care, keep hiking. Bye.